Ever have that time when you're starving and you don't know what to eat? I've been there. I've done that. My name is Ellen Allard, and I help you get healthy, be healthy, and stay healthy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take things out of my refrigerator that might not seem to go together, make them into a beautiful, delicious meal. Let's get started. Let me show you first what I have, and then I'll explain how I'm going to put it together. These are leftover soy curls. If you've never tried them, they are great. They have a really nice texture. You can put them in soups and stews. You can air fry them, which is what I did. And you can re-air fry them to crisp them up again. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. This is leftover brown rice pasta. I have a part of an already crispy baked corn tortilla. This is leftover cheese sauce. If it's not enough, I have another jar. This is Ithaca hummus. That's the name of the company. I usually make my own, but in a pinch, I will buy hummus like this and I thin it. I'll explain in a moment. I have a little bit of salad left over from dinner last night, and I have a cauliflower. My goal is to ultimately have a plate that is 60-40, 60 non-starchy veggies and 40 starches. I'm going to start by cutting this cauliflower. It has some brown stuff on it, and I just got it this morning. I'm going to shave it off with this peeler. I'm going to take a towel and put it underneath this cutting board so that it won't slide around. Just a little tip. This is a fabulous container for microwaving. First, I fill it with water, put in the basket, and then I'm going to put in the amount of cauliflower that I want to have for lunch, which is about that much. And the rest of the cauliflower I'm going to put away in a container. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of pepper. And into the microwave it goes for about 4 minutes. I don't like it too mushy. I don't like it too hard, somewhere in the middle. I am going to boil some water. You'll see what I'm going to do to bring this pasta back to life. This is a great collapsible colander, great for storage purposes. While the water is boiling, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to start by layering my ingredients. First, I put in the leftover salad. I have a carrot left over from breakfast. I put the other half of the carrot shredded into my oatmeal. I'm going to take the boiling water and pour it over this in the sink. I'm going to take that back to life pasta and might as well give it a little more of a zap. I made these a few nights ago. They're cold. They've been in the fridge. I'm going to just stick them in the pasta. Mix it all around. Into the microwave. I didn't end up needing the extra jar of cheese sauce. While the pasta and the soy curls and the cheese sauce are heating, I'm going to check the cauliflower. It's perfect. A little bit more than 50% of my plate is non-starchy vegetables. I need a little dressing, I think. I'm going to use some Mandarin orange balsamic vinegar, just a teeny bit of hummus. So now, just so you know, this hummus is 6 grams of fat for 2 tablespoons. My go-to standard is no more than 3 grams of fat. So if I did 1 tablespoon, it would be 3 grams of fat. I'm okay with that. There it goes. And yes, I'm using my fingers. Yeah. I am definitely not going to be able to eat all of this. Sometimes my eyes are bigger than my stomach, so I will have some of it, and the rest of it I'll have for dinner. There we go. I will add my corn tortilla, which I baked with a little bit of lime juice and some chili powder. I baked it until it got nice and crisp. I went to the gym this morning. I had a big bowl of oatmeal when I got home. This is my lunch that I'm going to have as well. Doesn't it look delicious? So this is how easy it is to put together a meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, from things you already have in the refrigerator. It makes it so easy. It's taking me a little bit of time because I'm stopping and explaining everything, but if I weren't making this video, it would have taken me no more than 10 minutes at most to put this together. And it's going to be delicious. I'm going to add a little bit of sriracha, and then I'm going to wolf this down. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love it if you would subscribe. Just hit that bell and make sure you get notifications for all of my YouTube videos. My name is Ellen Allard of Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, and I help you plant your plate one healthy meal at a time.